Pardon the mess. I look up and notice a sea of brake lights in my lane. Oh, crap. I slam the brakes, skidding to within a couple feet of the delivery truck in front of me. I'm safe, but the guy behind me in the beat the hell up black Escalade isn't. It's like watching one of those slow motion scenes, the kind where you know what's going to happen next, but are powerless to prevent. Mr. Escalade veers to the right. There isn't enough room. A shudder rocks my vehicle, followed by a clunk and the sound of falling pieces. My assailant doesn't stop. Instead, he swerves between motorists and vanishes into the traffic ahead.